So what do we have this time for the test? We have a bit of water sitting on the intake, bit of a drink sitting on the intake manifold for a cold start test. The only reason for this is because last time I forgot to tighten the engine steady, and that means taking off this, the box there. Got my finger caught in the keyring there. Bit of a grindy start there. I'll get the engine a few grams. New Group N mounts and a transmission mount, new transmission mount with a Whiteline stiffening insert put into it too. It's a Subaru 2007 2.5 litre BP B9, I think it is, BP9 B4A wagon. Oh, it's petrol also. 4-cylinder.